Bautista pass to 26 Araya for 3, no, the by number 24, 2 points. Turnover. Buliga. Slowly by number 0 Torres. Foul number 22, first personal foul. Nice stealing number 9, Gaskell. That's the Goma. No, rebound by number. Oh, it's a two-spot ball. Torres. Pero it's a traveling violation.
Oy, baba!
Setting the play back to number 7, also takes to 3. No, rebound by number 15, Torres. That's the 25, oh, it's a third number. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Buliga. Pero na-rebound ni number 22, Jason. Pass to Torres, it's a third number. Number 24, Tigoma. Pass to Bautista, no, rebound by 22. Jason, nice steal. Nakuha ni number 223, Bautista. Pass to Gaskell, 2 points. Number 9, number 15, Torres. Pass to 0 Torres. 15 to shoot. It's a troubling violation. Number 24, Tigoma. No, rebound by number 22, Jason. Pass number 0, Torres. Number 0, Torres lays up. No, rebound by number 26, Araya. Back to number 26, Araya for 3. Foul number 0, Torres. First personal foul, second team foul.
Pumasok ko dito.
15 to shoot. Nice in number 9, Gaskell. Halil pass. Pero Robles for 3. Number 25, 3. Tigoma pass to Araya. Tate. It's a turnover. Oh, Mr. Drill Man. Pass to Torres. Pass to Robles. Number 2 points. Number 25, Robles. Eligido. Pass to number 22, Jason. Eligido for 3. No. Look by number 78. Pass to number 25 for 3. No. Look by number 22. Jason Manaban. Pass to Torres for 3. Number 15, Torres. Number 24 gets to go by steal by number 22, pass to number 78, Perdiguera lays up, number 78, Perdiguera.
Kahit lagi niyang nire-reklamo.
Tigoma lays up, 2 points, number 24 to go. Eligido pass to Torres, pass to Robles, take to 3. Number 7, disconcerting for blinding pace. Tinakpa mo yung pace.
Ayaw na mag-live ng mga
Here's the by number 78, Bully. Bully nagmamadali. It's a turn number St. Michael Boy.
Protestin mo kayo, may matanda kayo sa Sunnyvale.
Number 4, Barbosa, 3. Eligido. 15 to shoot. Pass to Tigoma. Sober. No. Rebound by number 25. Robles. 10 to shoot. Steal. Pass break to number 4, Barbosa. Lays up. Rebound by number 49. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 78. Perdiguera really bad. Foul number 2. Number 2, first personal foul, first team foul, 2 shots by number 7 seconds. Number 26, Saraya Peggy. What a pace. Binabati mga balas. To Barbosa takes the 3. Go to babae number 22, Jason. Pass to Elegido. Elegido pass to Timpax.
Makakalaban naman niya si Arthur.
Pass to Jason. 14 to shoot.
Number 1 sa kabila. Number 2 kami.
Number 49 to Goma.
Kayo eh, ano na lang? Hindi, wala na. Last kaya sa ito. Parang ba kayo? Oo, tama. Limang game mo. Anim lang tayo sa track.
Elegido pass to number 12, Papa. Oh, rebound by Digoma. Wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin by Digoma. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Papa. Foul pass sa basket. Foul number. Pero may foul. Foul number 22. Second. Foul number 22. Third personal foul, second team foul. Tigera. Sasalpak na. Number 78, J.R. Barbosa. Play. 1-foot shot. Pero nakakuha ni number 23, Elegido. Elegido, humawi ng buhok. Wala. Pero number 13, JB. What a move. What a slice. Standing move. Wala. Rebound by number 83, Elegido. Pass to Perdiguera. Number. No. Rebound by number 4, Barbosa.
Ready? Yeah! Sab.
Sabrep. Casket Black East. Number 13, Paradero, floater, 2 points. 2-point lead. Tigoma, put back by number 78, Perdiguera. Number 60, Aquino. Our second team foul. Number 2, Andres. Pero natapikan dito. 15 seconds from the shot clock. Set to shoot. What a pass and what a pace. Para kay number 2. Sa ni J. Baba. Pass to number 0. Delebe. Oh! Ibabay number 49, Digoma. Jumper, wala pa rin. Rebound by Torres. Oh! No! May foul. Foul number 49, Digoma. 16 by number 78, Perdiguera. Foul number 17, Pop the ball. First personal foul. 13. Araya, no, pero may foul. Foul number 2, Andres. Natin ko pumasok si Nicky Rosales talaga. Number 0, Torres. Pass to Digoma. Digoma. Jumper. No. Ibabay. Andres. No, pero may foul. Foul number 26, Araya. Number 68, pass to, oh, it's a third number. Sabrep. 49, Digoma. What a pass! Number 78, J.R. Perdiguera. Araya. 4-3, no, Ibabay. Oh, it's the same ball. 14 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Araya, no, Ibabay, Digoma. Side step move, no, Ibabay number 49, pass to number 23, Elegido. Pass to Torres, he's up! Number 0, Custom Black. Tuwan-tuwa ang mga tropa ko, ha. Number 26, Araya. Pass to Satuan Galingeto. Pass to number 5, Jumper. Number 5, 2 points. To number 2. Number 2, Parin Andres. It's a double dribble. Sabret. Tupak na po. Sigama. Moto, Leisa. Number 7, Ellis Moto. Torres. Setting the play. Pass to Elihido, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Torres to 3. Number 5. Pass to number 7, Moto. Pass to number 26, Araya. Lays up. It's good. Number 20. Begama. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Andres. Sige starte. Wala. Ibabay number 5. Pass to number 24, Begama. Begama pass to Parejo. Aquino, 2 points. What a pass. Pero may foul. Foul number 10. 5. 2 points. Number 24, Begama. 2, 1.